The Sonja-Kill Day Care Centre in Bonn Bad Godesberg offers children aged 3 months to 6 years a place in the community. The design of the modern premises is intended to meet this aspiration. Despite regular cleaning, the hygiene situation and also the appearance of the floor was no longer satisfactory. It was important for us that we did not have to lay a new floor, but kept the floor, which was only 6 years old. The Schutz Service Partners advise daycare centres to have their floors sealed with a very hard-wearing permanent coating from Schutz. Working together with the Schutz Service Partners beforehand and also here on site was not complicated, and I always felt that I was well looked after because I had a contact person at all times. Schutz Service Partners are masters of creative floor designs and are also specialised in daycare centres. With the aid of the template technique, every desired motif can be painted on the floor. The foil technique makes it possible to apply individual prints according to the wishes of the customer. Floor Remake stands for unlimited possibilities for redesigning floors. The floor sealer PU Neo won first place in the German Innovation Awards, as it is the only floor lacquer worldwide that is 100% free of solvents and isocyanates. At the same time, the coating is saliva resistant and therefore ideally suitable for use in children's daycare centres. We have designed the floor so that movement is stimulated in many different ways throughout the house. On the one hand, we have steps where the children arrive in the morning and when going upstairs, practice counting with dice and numbers. On the other hand, we have a hopscotch game and various geometric shapes which stimulate playing and learning.